Welcome back to RSG Online 2021, and I'm moving to the 46th session, students, and here we're discussing about the meaning of transfer. As you all know, that this belongs to BBA program that semester affiliated to Bangalore University. Now let me recapitulate. In my earlier video, I told you about the basis of promotion, and coming to the learning objectives, it provides information about the meaning of transfer. It also facilitates the information necessary to understand how transfer should be given in an organization. What exactly you mean by transfer? Transfer is also one of the means of promotion. A transfer is a horizontal or lateral movement of an employee from one job section, department, shift to plant or position to another at some other place where salary, status and response are usually the same. Yes, most of the times it will be same, and sometimes there will be additional responsibility will be given. Transfer is defined as a lateral shift causing the movement of individuals from one position to another, usually without involving any kind of change in duties or responsibilities, skills needed or compensation. A transfer is a horizontal and lateral movement of an employee from one job section, department. This is what? Generally, there will not be any much change relating to the salary or status or responsibility. That will be the same because they just get transferred from one place to another place. It could be because of their convenience of workplace or any other important health conditions or the family issues and all that relating to that, some personal issues. Based on that, the transfers will take place. We call it as, suppose if it is done from the employee side, we call it as request transfer. In government, we call it as a request transfer. But in private also, the same thing happens. So they just individual or an employee get transferred from one place to another place. And most of the time, the responsibility and the salary and compensation, skills required to complete the job, everything will remain same. Now look at this. This employee will come here and this employee. So there's no much change at all. Only the place of work will change. Every organization should have a just and impartial policy concerning the transfer of an employee. Such a policy will help to avoid an ad hoc and arbitrary approach. Transfers should not be made frequently or without justified reasons. That's very important. Whenever the transfers applications are considered, there should be a justified reasons. Instead of deciding each case separately, a policy should be formulated to govern all types of employee transfers. Yes. When it comes to the multiple choice questions, what do you mean by transfer in the context of HRM? Is a transfer of knowledge? Is a transfer of skills? Transfer of both? Both skills and knowledge. Transfer as a means of promotion. So transfer as a means of promotion we can take here actually. The answer is D. Transfer of employees on promotion. Company appreciates the following. Transferred employee adjusts to the new job or place. A negotiable increase in packages. Work with good zeal as earlier and all of the above. So whenever we talk about that, so definitely he has to work with all of the above. The answer is D. I'll come to the session outcome. It has provided the information about the meaning of transfers in an organization in the context of HRM. It also facilitated to gather further the information relating to how the various ways of transfers can be adopted in general. Hope this video has come to your help, students, and stay tuned to RSG Online 2021.